Yes, back on the rock again, right? So this week's vinyl that I'm featuring in the back there is none other than the Cranddada himself, Mr. Chronix, seeing with his debut album Chronology on vinyl, right? Yeah, man, a nice piece, you know. Yeah. So him head shaped like the Africa on the map. I'm sure that was the intention too, you know. But yeah, Chronix Chronology, seeing. Yeah. And I don't know. We have a little wine to keep the vine, right? But yeah, that was Chronology. Now, back to the program at hand. This wasn't planned. This is a freestyle, you know. I know to mix up things sometimes because I do a little DJing every now and again, right? So I just gave you Alton Ellis, Can I Change My Mind? And while I was playing that, I remember Dennis Brown has his version as well that he released in 1982. And I want you, Solid Rock family, to be the judge. I want you to leave in the comment section which one on both videos, which on the Alton Ellis video and this video, which one you think is the better version. I'm giving you homework. Don't just watch this. I'm giving you homework. Which version you like better? Two of them tough still, you know. But which one tougher? The D Brown Special or the Alton Ellis? And this one is on the Ivan, on his label, him and his wife's label, Ivan Brown, Ivan's Special. Big up yourself, Mama Ivan. Now we're gonna go through with this tune right now and kick it off like a ball because Dennis Brown is the prince after all. Going at the DB. Oh gosh. Yes sir. Tell them DB. Oh gosh, the vocal range.
I played my games.
Aye, man.
Many times before. Oh, yeah. But people, let me tell you all. Oh, I never reached the door. A fool in your arms tonight. I keep looking back, but my baby's not inside. Oh, and I would like to start all over again. Oh, baby, can I change my mind?
DJ
Please, yeah. Oh, bye.
Sing it to them, DB. Oh yes. Play your games. Took it for granted. Oh yes. Do, ooh, do, change my mind. Oh gosh, that was Dennis Brown, 1982 version, his rendition of Alton Ellis, Can I Change My Mind? Boy, what a tune. The two tune them bad, but what a tune. By the way, it's in recent times, the Rolling Stone magazine enlisted Dennis Brown as the number 67th best singer in the world. Out of 200 greatest singer in the world, he's number 67 in the top 100 greatest singers in the world in Rolling Stone magazine. Let's say it for D Brown. Let's say it for DB. Big up yourself. Well deserved. Bob Marley also had stated that D Brown was one of his favorite singers, or his favorite singer, matter of fact. Yana interviewed Dennis Brown, so the crown prince of reggae, right? So like I said, leave a comment to let me know which version you prefer or is the better one, the Dennis Brown version or the Alton Ellis version. We're gonna keep it rolling, less talking, more walking, solid corner up on the solid foundation, Tuesday vibe. See? Cool. Big up on yourself. All my followers, I want to thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking, subscribing, participating, viewing, whatever you do, as long as it supports solid rock entertainment. This big up and shout out goes to you. Out and about.